As you know, in this universe, everything want to attain stability. To achieve stability, they are always in search of here and there. For example, water always move from higher concentration to lower concentration to attain stability. Similarly, जहाँ तक हम एलिमेंट्स की बात करें, दुनिया में जितने केमिकल रिएक्शंस हो रहे हैं, क्यों हो रहे हैं? एलिमेंट्स क्यों केमिकल रिएक्शंस करते हैं? बिकॉज इनको स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए. इनकी स्टेबिलिटी कब डिस्टर्ब होती है? इनकी स्टेबिलिटी तब डिस्टर्ब होती है जब इनके अंदर प्रोटॉन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की जो मुनासिब एक बैलेंस है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रोटॉन से कम या ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं तो एलिमेंट अनस्टेबल हो जाता है. तो अपनी इस स्टेबिलिटी को, इस अनस्टेबिलिटी को स्टेबल करने की खातिर वो फिर केमिकल रिएक्शंस में जाता है कि वो स्टेबल हो जाए. So every atom or group of atoms may be neutral or charged, which take part in a chemical reaction is called chemical species. Chemical species have many types like ions, molecular ions, free radical, etc. So first we will describe what are ions. The ions are the charged particles which is formed by the loss or gain of electron. Or an atom or group of atom having a net positive or net negative charge is called ion. An atom is electrically neutral, which means that the total number of protons are equal to the total number of electrons. Therefore, an ion is formed when an atom loses or gains electrons. The magnitude of a charge depends upon the number of electrons lost or gained by an atom. So, जब किसी भी एटम से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उसके लॉस या गेन होंगे तब वो जाके इलेक्ट्रिकली उस पर चार्ज आएगा. Ions are the charged particles which are usually formed by the loss or gain of electrons. There are two types of ions, cations and anions. Positive ions are always called cations. It is always formed when an atom loses one or more electrons. It has always less number of electrons than the number of protons. For example, lithium. If we see lithium, it has atomic number 3. And if we go for its electronic configuration, means a distribution of electrons in orbitals. So 1s2 and 2s1 means outer orbital valence shell electron is 1. So lithium can give out it 1 electrons. So when lithium loses 1 electrons, a positive 1 sign appears on the lithium atom. So it becomes lithium ion with positive charge. So that's why it is called cation. Similarly, sodium, which have atomic number 11. And when we see its electronic configuration, it has also 1 valence electron. So it can also lose 1 electron. That's why when it loses 1 electron, a positive 1 came on sodium atom. So it becomes sodium ion. Same is the case with calcium. Calcium has 2 electrons in its valence orbital. So it can lose 2 electrons. When calcium loses 2 electrons, so 2 positive charge come on calcium atom, so it becomes calcium cation. Now there are anions. The negative ions are called anions. When a negative ion is always formed when an atom gains 1 or more electrons, it has always more number of electrons than the number of protons. For example, chlorine, which has atomic number 17. If we do its electronic configuration, we see that 1s2, 2s2, 5, p6, एंड देन थर्ड शेल में टोटल 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. ऑक्टेट रूल के मुताबिक जिसके आउटर शेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे वो स्टेबल होगा. तो क्लोरीन को स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए टू गेन 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा तो उसके ऑक्टेट में 8 कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. दैट्स वाई ये जब 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा तो क्लोरीन क्लोराइड आयन बन जाएगा विथ -1. सिमिलरली ब्रोमीन हैज आल्सो टेंडेंसी टू टेक 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन टू कंप्लीट इट्स ऑक्टेट. So when bromine take 1 electron, it becomes bromide ion. Similarly, oxygen has 6 electrons in its valence orbital. So it also needs 2 electrons more to complete its octet. That's why when oxygen takes 2 electrons, 2 negative charge come on oxygen, and so it becomes oxide ion.